Ang akala ng tao yung bang nauuhaw ka, yung the feeling of thirst, parang uhaw ka na, gusto mo na uminom. Actually, yan ang parang the first very simple sign of dehydration. Pero kung dumating ka sa point na yun, yung thirsty ka na, actually yan ang symptom na baka moderately dehydrated ka na. So kaya na, after saying that, sasabihin ko sa bata, dito sa mga hot temperatures at may increased activity ka pa, huwag mo nang hintayin na uuhawin ka. Alam mo nang mainit na, alam mo nang extra activity ka, i-preempt mo na, uminom ka ng additional before the activity. Ganun yan. Kasi ang masasabi ko lang, yung dehydration is very slow initially. Mabagal lang yun, dahan-dahan lang yun. Pagdating ng point na uhaw ka na, pagdating ng point na yan, it's very rapidly abrupt. Bigla na siya magiging serious na. So wag niyong hintayin ng point na yan na after na uhaw ka na, in-ignore mo yung uhaw ka, at tapos tumuloy ka, nakalimutan mo na uminom, darating din sa serious signs na at mahirap nang gamutin yan. Ang payo ko sa mga nakikinig is there is what I call proper rehydration. Okay? Proper kasi pwede mong isipin yung sarili mong assessment na nauuhaw ka, lagi kang pinapawisan o napapagod ka pa, pabili ka na ng yung energy drink para bumalik lahat, ano? Well, that's parang yan ang policy, okay? Kasi in rehydration, okay, there are certain things you have to do. You have to restore the water, okay? With the energy drink, you're not restoring the water. You're actually making it worse, because in an energy drink, there is yung chemical caffeine, okay? May konting caffeine yan Yung caffeine will cause it's a diuretic Mas mawawala yung tubig mo, diuretic, okay? Also in an energy, meron din kang sugar Di matamis din yun, di ba? Sugar also causes dehydration. Okay? So the only benefit na parang pag sinabi nila energy is para bumalik yung energy mo because of the coffee. Pero kung dehydrated ka, coffee will dehydrate you. The sugar will dehydrate you. Okay? Ano yung energy na kukuha mo kung dehydrated ka? Parang mali useless na yan So, practically speaking ako, when you're a construction worker or an athlete or something, and then you feel na napagod ka, and you need more energy, that's a sign of dehydration. And the energy drink is not the solution. You should rehydrate yourself properly, drink proper mineral water, iwasan mo yung mga sugar and coffee, yan ang proper hydration. Ang explanation kung basis nun is, the human body fluid, ito yung tubig sa katawan natin, is actually normal saline Hindi naman pure parang distilled water Maalat yung tubig sa katawan natin, okay?
Yes po.
Kung sabihin ko, tikman mo lang yung pawis mo. Maalat, di ba?
Yes,
okay. So, yung tubig sa katawan natin, maalat, okay? And kung papawisan ka, mawawalaan ka na yung normal na alat ng katawan mo. So, kung papalitan mo yung tubig mo ng hindi maalat na tubig, kulang ang binibigay mong hydration sa katawan mo. Ang hydration consists of restoring the water and restoring the mineral content na nawawala, which is sodium. And sodium is salt. So kung sinabi mo, itong mga taong iinom ng tubig, dagdagan mo ng asin, that's very true and very proper. Okay? So to further defend that, yung mga athletes, yung mga runners, in extraneous exercises and competitions, they actually put salt tablets under their tongue to help restore the salt that they lose through perspiration.